Greetings from Orhem, this beautiful, nice, wild, secluded beach that can be used also as spontaneous nudist beach spot in the beautiful Flaten Nature Reserve here. It is absolutely stunning and amazing indeed. And I haven't been here actually yet this year, so this is the first time I'm showing you this beach spot over here in the beautiful forest. I have actually been to the jetty that's quite close by, that was marked first as Orhem Naturistbad, but then was removed from Google. Actually, it's quite near to this spot, but this one over here is quite nice, and it's overlooking the lake Drevviken, and there is a nice little rock there that you can use to get into the water and take a swim. It is 13th of October 2024, a Sunday. We have 11 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the lake I just measured is 14 degrees Celsius, same as yesterday. I was also on Drevviken yesterday, but I was on the other side, and there it was quite sunny. Well, the day sunny was yesterday, indeed today is quite opposite, but it was on a more calm part of the lake, I would say. You can see how the forest is and how the leaves are starting to turn the color into yellowish, some of them at least, but soon it will be much more autumn landscape here in the forest. It is time for beach day number 171 of my Sweden beach adventures, and on this Sunday I have cycled 9 kilometers from my home with my Scott gravel bike to get here and take a swim very soon. What else? Yes, as I mentioned, there is nobody here right now, but at this point, this time, there will be nobody on all of the beaches in the Stockholm region. I would assume it's only very few people like me that do beach adventures in October. It is highly uncommon otherwise. But where's the fun in if you stop with beach adventures in August, right? Because it's still quite nice weather despite the winds that blows. Because currently today it's actually warmer than yesterday by 1 degree, but because of the wind and the lack of sun it feels a bit colder. So everything is much better with the sun, obviously. So yes, this is a very nice secluded wild nudist beach spot indeed in the nature. And now let's then find our way into the water, as these are rocks. I'm not sure how slippery they are indeed, so let's try not to injure ourselves. I think because of the lack of algae now it's fine. During the summer months when there is more algae it is a bit more slippery. Now it's fine. So 14 degrees, quite cold indeed, and the wind does not make things better indeed. So this is my beautiful spot for my beach adventure today. So alright, ready, set, go! Oh my god, so fantastic and nice indeed. But cold also, cold as well, and there were some waves also because of the wind, so the water is taking me a bit inwards. So let me show you also around. We can see Drevviken there in the distance, and this nice forest over here, Flaten Nature Reserve indeed. So yes, happy Sunday from Stockholm and from Orhem, another secluded nudist beach that I'm showing you on my channel. Make sure to subscribe in order to get more videos like this. Now I'm only 29 days away to beat my last year's record, so I hope you are following my journey and praying also for nice weather in the upcoming weeks in order to conclude my journey. So thank you so much, greetings from Stockholm, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.